So I've got a nice shining brand new out of the box Cisco 8821, and just want to go over a couple things. Underneath the battery is the MAC address. Also, it comes from the factory. See that hole on the bottom right? It's actually got a cover over it. That's the microphone hole. You have to remove the sticker over the hole, otherwise the audio sounds problematic. On the left-hand side of the phone here, we've got a mute button at the bottom, a volume up, volume down, and a one button to push that's not really being used. We've got a earpiece at the top. Not really sure. Oh, and we got a loop hole for a strap to attach to the phone, and then we got a microphone plug at the top of the 8821. On the right hand side, there's actually a speakerphone button for the 8821 in case you want to put somebody on speakerphone. So we're going to get into the menu of the 8821, and when I turn it on, this is the application view versus the line mode. If I see, how do I show line mode? I have to play. So if I do go into, there is a 10 key functionality. Comma is the 0 and the underscore. And I've also got a lock mode. I have to push the top right button and a 0 to unlock the phone. But if I go into some of the menu items, I've got phone settings. Here's where I can adjust the display of the phone. I can change the ringer. I can change the sleep sound and whether or not the LED coverage indicator is on or off. Not too much in here. There is no alarm clock or other type functionalities for a phone. I've got a wireless LAN profile that I can push to the phone. I've got Bluetooth functionality that I can pair Bluetooth devices and turn them on or off. And then I've got the admin settings where I can actually see who my neighbor is. And it appears I've actually lost coverage where I'm sitting. Yeah, closed TCP connection. And that's it for the 8821.